Hi everyone. Finding inverse of a matrix is very serious task, but for 2 cross 2 ordered matrix it's too easy. So at first we have to learn how to find the inverse of 2 cross 2 ordered matrix. Then I will say the easy process to finding the inverse of 3 cross 3 ordered matrix. But at first we have to know the formula of finding inverse is adjoint A by det A. This is the general formula. So for all types of matrix 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, both types of matrix we will use this formula for finding the inverse of a matrix. So here is a matrix given. So at first we have to find det A. So 2 into minus 2, that's mean minus 4, and minus 1 into minus 6, that's mean plus 6. So here det A is equal to 2. Now we have to find adjoint of 2 cross 2 ordered matrices, and it's too easy to finding adjoint, of 2 cross 2 ordered matrix, and this is according to this diagonal we have to interchange the element. Always the position of element will be interchanged. So here is 2. Now we have to put this 2 in this place. So write here 2, and here is minus 2. So we have to put this minus 2 in this place. So here is minus 2. Now according to this diagonal the sign will be opposite. So here no sign means positive sign. So here will be opposite sign is minus. Now here already minus, so you have to write here positive sign. This is the adjoint. So our final answer is A inverse equal to adjoint. Adjoint means minus 2 6 and minus 1 2, and divide by determinant. Here is determinant 1 by 2. So it's now divide all element of matrix by 2. Then it's minus 1 3 minus 1 by 2 and here 1. This is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now try to solve another question. Here is the second question. Question number 2, and this is also 2 cross 2 ordered matrix. Also at first find the determinant A. So determinant A is equal to 3 7s are 21 minus 2 10s are 20. So it's 1. Now we have to find adjoint. So adjoint A equal to, this is a 2 cross 2 ordered matrix. Now this according to this diagonal the position of element will be interchanged. So here should be 7 and here 3. Now according to this diagonal the sign will be opposite. So here is no sign mean positive, also here is no sign mean positive. So you have to write here minus 2 and here minus 10. So our final answer is A inverse equal to 7 minus 10 and minus 2 3. This is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now the most important task, and this is the main part of this video, finding inverse of 3 ordered matrix, 3 cross 3 ordered matrix, and it's a very serious task. You have already done so many methods like finding the cofactor, using elementary row operation, using elementary column operation, etc. And this is so lengthy process. Now I will say the easy tricky process. For using this process you can find the inverse of any matrix 3 cross 3 within just 30 seconds. Now we know the formula of A inverse equal to adjoint A by det A. Also you can find the adjoint A easily. Now at first we have to find det A. Det A equal to, we know the process how to find the determinant A. So here 2 into 3 ones are 3 minus 1 0 are 0. Here minus 0, and here minus 1 into 5 ones are 5 minus 0. Now 3 2s are 6 and minus 5. That's mean 1. So det A not equal to 0. If det A equal to 0, there no inverse exist. But here det A not equal to 0. So we can find the inverse of 3 cross 3 ordered matrix. And now here is the process. At first write the matrix here. 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 and 0 1 3. Now you have to repeat. This is column 1, this is column 2 and this is column 3. Now you have to repeat first two column after C3 column. So here 2 5 0. So write here again 2 5 0 and here 0 1 1. So write here 0 1 1. Now here is total 5 column. Now we have to repeat first two row. Now here 2 0 minus 1 2 0 and 5 1 0 5 1. Now you have to cancelling out both first row and first row and first column full. So cancel out this first row and first column. Now we have to write the adjoint A. We have to go the operation according to column, but we have to write according to row. So at first go take this 4 element at first. So this 3 1s are 3 minus 1 0 0. So write here only 3. Now again take this 4 element. Take this 4. So here 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 3 zeros are 0. So write here minus 1, but you have to write here. Now again take this 4. So here 0 0 0 and minus of minus 1, that means positive 1. So write here positive 1. Now again start from this column. So 0 into 0 minus 3 5s are 15. So write here minus 15. Next take this 4 element. So 3 2s are 6 and 0 minus 1s are 0. So only 3 2s are 6 here. And take this 4 element. So minus 1 into 5 minus 5 and 2 into 0 0. So write here minus 5. Now take this column. So 5 1s are 5 minus 1 0 are 0. So only 5 here. So write here 5. Now take this 4 element. 0 1 0 zeros are 0 minus 2 1s are 2. So write here minus 2. And last 2 1s are 2 minus 0 5s are 0. So here is 2. So our final answer is A inverse equal to adjoint A. This is the adjoint A and determinant A, and determinant A is 1. So 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 and 2. This is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now you have to practice. Trust me, if you practice lots, then it does not take more than 30 seconds. Okay? Now we'll see you again in the next video. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.